Fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann, and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our third paycheck in January and going over our fourth paycheck. This month, we get an extra paycheck, so we have one more paycheck to go, but I think I'm going to probably include that in February because it is the last day of the month where I will get that check. So if you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did last week. Okay guys, let me show you something. I ordered a cover for my Happy Planner. Wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. And I ordered for the skinny Happy Planner. So I'm just going to use it as a dashboard. But this is what I ordered, and I am going to go back and order another cover for my Happy Planner, the right size this time. So let's see how we did. So for our paycheck from January the 17th through the 23rd, in the expense category, we budgeted $400 for an extra payment, $80 for a rollover, $75 for replacement money, $56 for our home alarm, $40 for our meds, $17 for our Amazon Prime, and $12 for Google YouTube. That came up to $680. And in our actual category, that is exactly what we spent. We budgeted $490 for our cash envelopes, $380 for our sinking funds, $80 for our savings challenges, $80 for our backup funds, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,050. In our actual category, we spent $445 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $45, $380 in our sinking funds, $80 in our savings challenges, $80 in our backup funds, and $20 in our extra backup money. That came to a total of $1,005, which was a savings of $45. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,730, minus our expenses of $680, minus our cash envelopes of $490, minus the sinking funds of $380, minus the savings challenges of $80, minus the backup funds of $80, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a zero base balance. Actual category, our income was $1,730, minus the expenses of $680, minus the cash envelopes of $445, which was a difference of $45, minus the sinking funds of $380, minus the savings challenges of $80, minus the backup funds of $80, and minus the extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $45, which was a total savings of $45 this week. In our budget from January 24th through January 30th, in our expense category, we budgeted $425 for our phone bill, $200 for Best Buy, $175 for Chase, $400 for our first February paycheck rollover, and $100 for our rollover. That came up to a total of $1,300. We budgeted $540 for our cash envelopes, $675 for our sinking funds, $100 for our savings challenges, $100 for our backup funds, and $40 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,455. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,861, minus the expenses of $1,300, minus the cash envelopes of $550, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenges for $100, minus the backup funds for $100, and minus the extra backup money for $40. That left a remainder of $106. So fam, that is how we did for last week. And the money for this week, we had an extra $400 for a rollover for the first paycheck in February. And that is because we have our mortgage coming out. We have our utilities coming out. We also have a check coming out. We had some plumbing issues and we had to have someone come out and flush the line, and that was $245. We're also going to have them come back out and dig up the front yard or dig up the pipe so that they can put another in and out valve, because we only have an out valve that comes from the house. Otherwise, they have to get on the roof, and we have a metal roof, so they don't want to get on the roof because it's more dangerous than a regular roof. So we're going to have them come out and dig that so it'll be easier for them to go through and flush anytime we have some issues. And that's going to be $985. We are going to put that on a card and we're going to pay it off. However, our escrow shortage this year was almost $500. So that's going to have to be paid out of that first check as well. So we have a lot of stuff that hit us, and it's like back to back to back to back. We had $245 for them to come out and check the plumbing. I will be paying off 2 debts. However, I will be accruing more debt, and I will talk about that in a sit down video. And this debt is necessary debt, so I'm not mad at it. I just wish it would have come at a more convenient time, but it is what it is, and we got the money to cover it, so we're just going to go ahead and take the hit. So fam, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.